Hey friends, welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead. Today we are going to make strawberry carrot smoothies. This is going to be for a collaboration that I've joined. It's called Healthy Snacks 26 collaboration with Tammy at Mountain Grandma, Gail at Gail's Southern Living, and Heather with Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. So follow along with me. The ingredients that we'll be using today are strawberries, carrots, bananas, coconut milk, and honey. And we're just going to mix all of that into one bowl, mix it up really good, and then we're going to run it through the blender for a fresh, healthy snack. And I'm just going to go through. I got about 1.5 cups of strawberries. We buy them in bulk if we can't get them fresh. So I pulled those out last night. We've got our carrots. We're going to peel 2 bananas. It calls for 1 banana, but I'm doing about a batch and a half. So I'm going to go ahead and use 2 bananas. And these are a little brown on one end, so I'm not going to use that part. That'll go in the compost bin. And I'm going to use 1 can of coconut milk. And I'm just going to, when I get all the ingredients in the bowl, I'm just going to kind of mash it up some. And then I'm going to run it through my bullet to get it smooth for a good smoothie. And then I'm going to put it in the freezer to chill for a little bit until after dinner. And then you just serve it over ice if you want. Serving it over ice is optional, and we'll just see how it looks when it comes out of the freezer. And 1 teaspoon of honey. I'm going to use, I'm not going to measure it. I'm probably going to use about a tablespoon. I mean, it's honey. Come on. Can't go wrong, right? So for my recipe, I'm about 1.5 cups of strawberries. Basically about 1.5 bananas, because some of that was brown and I didn't use it. 1 full-size large carrot. And we freeze our carrots, so I just pulled out from the freezer what I needed. And I'm just going to take this and kind of mush it up together. So the carrots are soft once they thaw out, so they should go through the blender. You can use a blender. I'm going to just use I'm going to see if I can do it in this handheld blender. I'm just going to get it kind of mixed up pretty good in here. And this is probably going to make about 2 or 3 in that blender. This will be a nice, cool, refreshing snack. Get this, something I can scoop it out with. I'm going to get a carrot in each one of them. A couple of carrots maybe. Some strawberries in there and some bananas. And then I'm going to pour some of my juice over in there too. This is a really quick smoothie. Wow. Okay, let me find something larger to pour that into. Actually, I think it should fit into this glass bowl that I can put in the refrigerator. Wow, look at the color in that. It's like a red-orange color. You see that? It's got some chunks of carrot, chunks of strawberry. That is perfect. That is absolutely going to be healthy. I will put the recipe, I will pin the recipe in a comment if it will let me pin a comment that long. Or I may just pin it in the description of the video if anybody is interested in making this at home. I was excited when I got the email about the collaboration. I was like, absolutely, let's do it. I mean, who doesn't like healthy snack ideas? And something like this would be really refreshing during hot months. Like right now. You could do less. I think I'm gonna rinse this out and transfer that over into the bigger container. And then I will mix it up because this had more strawberries in it. And this probably had more carrots in it because it's more orange. But I will mix it all together and get like where it's all blended, all the flavors. And you could probably make this with any combination of fruits that you want. Now the strawberries are packed with vitamin C. Your carrots, they're famous for being high beta carotene content, which your body then converts over into vitamin A. Good grief, I put that on too tight. So it's good for like your vision, strong immunity, your healthy skin. So together they're like a multivitamin in a glass. Strawberries promote collagen production as well as being high in vitamin C. And the carrots, man, they help with your eyesight. I never cared for carrots when I was growing up. And now I wear readers and glasses for seeing far away. And okay, I'm going to mix that up and get our true color. It's like an orange pink color. And it's got like real fine chunks of the carrots in there. I'm going to have to try a little bit. Wow. You can taste the strawberry and the banana. You can barely taste the carrots. Packed with nutritious, healthy ingredients. Put that over some ice. It'll make a great summer drink. Thank you guys for following along on Healthy Snacks 26 collaboration. Again with Tammy at Mountain Grandma, Gail at Gail Southern Living, and Heather with Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.